how to delete a widget from the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the lock screen, on the home screen, just press on the side button here to lock your phone. Now, if you are on the always on display, just tap on it to go to your lock screen. And then what you have to do is simply touch and hold on the lock screen like that, and then touch and hold again. Once you see it say enter passcode, put in your passcode, and then on the collections screen, go down to the bottom and tap on the customize button. After that, tap on the lock screen panel, the one on the left here. Then once you are in edit mode, you want to tap on the bottom widget here. This is the widget below the clock, so tap on it. And then to delete a widget, just tap on the delete button there. It's like the minus button. So you tap on that to remove a widget. You can remove all of them if you wanted to. After that, if you decide you want to add in a different widget, you can do so simply by swiping down here and choose an available widget to add to your widget panel. So here I can add in the battery widget. Then I can close that and go back down here. I can add in my fitness widget. So in here I can add in the activity. Now you can see that I only have enough space for a small size widget. If I choose a larger size, then it will not work unless I have to remove other widgets to make space for a larger widget. And that's it. After, you can tap on the close button to close all the pop-up, and then tap on done, and then tap on the anywhere on the lock screen here to finish it. And that's it. So now we have successfully deleted a widget, and we have added in other widget. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.